To migrate from Mint to Credit Karma, start by understanding the key differences between the two platforms. Mint is a comprehensive personal finance tool that offers budgeting, investment tracking, and bill tracking, while Credit Karma is primarily focused on credit monitoring and reporting. First, create a Credit Karma account if you don't already have one. Go to the Credit Karma website and sign up with your email address and a password. Fill out the required information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, link your bank accounts to Credit Karma. This will allow you to track your spending, income, and credit utilization. You can link accounts from most major banks and credit card companies. Now, download your Mint data. Log into your Mint account and go to the Settings menu. Select the option to export your data, and choose the CSV format. This will download a file containing your transaction history, budget, and other financial data. Then, manually import your Mint data into Credit Karma. While Credit Karma does not offer a direct import feature for Mint data, you can manually add your accounts and transactions. Start by adding your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Then, use the CSV file from Mint to manually enter your transaction history into Credit Karma. It is also important to note that Credit Karma offers a range of tools and features that can help you manage your finances, including credit monitoring, credit score tracking, and identity theft protection. Take some time to explore these features and understand how they can help you achieve your financial goals. Finally, cancel your Mint account if you no longer need it. Log into your Mint account and go to the Settings menu. Select the option to close your account, and follow the prompts to confirm. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate from Mint to Credit Karma and start taking advantage of the features and tools that Credit Karma has to offer. Remember to always prioritize your financial security and take the time to understand the tools and features that you are using to manage your finances.